Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. This is a real timing Kung Fu class. You don't want to miss any part of this class. So follow me all the way to achieve the Kung Fu stuff in lesson 4. Let's go. So this is the last move from lesson 3. Your right part of your staff go up. So flat of your right shoulder and you make a step strong and all the way down and you come back your right part to attack. So knee lift. So this is the first basics. Let's do 30 seconds with me. Your right hand to select all the way, your left hand on the top, and you make step, go attack. So make sure your body lean forward to go attack. Okay, great. 1, make small circle attack the left side. You step your left, and 2, so you attack another side. And you both hands go far away, and come back your both steps, and boom. Together, your right part and flat to attack the right side. You stop your right, same time your left part go attack flat this way. And you both hand over your head and twist them flat. You step back your left and you go attack flat. Go up over your head, cross your hand, left hand right here, right hand right here, and you go attack down, but open one hand and right hand open like this, the left hand 45. and you make a step strong, and you go up. Alright, so do one more time to make sure your right hand goes straight direction, go up your right shoulder, you make a step, and you go down, your body lean back with your left hand pull back, your right hand go up, and power. Okay, great. Let's do one more. So you go one, right shoulder, and all the way, go power. And your right hand to slide to all the way, your left hand on the top, and you make step, go attack. So make sure your body lean forward, you go attack. Okay, great. So from move number 1, you go step, and you go 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay, one last time, get this work. So you go right, and you go power, and your right hand over your head, you go attack forward. And after that, left hand to go a half circle, you go attack the floor. Go 1, go 1. Make small circle, attack the left side. You step your left, and 2. So you attack another side. And you both hands go far away, and come back. Your both steps, and beng gun. So let's start the first move. Get this work. So you go 1 and 2, attack, and slide, shuai, and go 4 and 5. You step your right, your attack left side, small circle, and you go right, and both hands go front, straight, come back, both steps with that. So the both steps come back a beng gun. Remember, your right hand back to your waist, your left hand to go straight arm with that power. Right, so let's continue with that work. So you go right there. So you go 1 step, and go 2 back, straight, and go 4. You step, attack left. You step your left, and both hands go far. You come back, beng gun. Great. So one more, we continue, right? Right there. So you go 1, 2, and 2, attack, and straight, open, 4, 4, and 5, left, 6, right, 7, 8. Okay, great work. Let's start from the movement 1 and we continue more, right? So go right there, down. So 1, and top, 2, and straight, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your both hand to slide together, your right part and flat to attack the right side. You stop your right, same time your left part go attack flat this way. And you both hand over your head and twist them flat. You step back your left and you go attack flat. Okay, get this work from the movement number 1. Get this. So you go 1 and attack 2 and you go straight 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Both hands slide. You go attack the right part and you step your right, attack the left flat. And you go over your head and cross your both hands. You step your left and you go attack flat. Great work. One more time we continue. So from there, so you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. Attack flat and 10. Attack left. Over your head, cross and you step your left and you go attack flat. After that, your left hand go up. Make a circle to your right side and you go 1 hand open and attack down. You go attack the left. You see, you go up over your head, cross your hand, left hand right here, right hand right here, and you go attack down, but open 1 hand and right hand open like this. The left hand 45 cut down. One more time. So get there right here. So you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. Flat attack and 10 attack and over. Cross your hand, step your left and attack flat. Go up to make a circle and you go attack down. Right hand go up a circle, right hand open and you go cut 45. Right hand open right this side and high empty steps. That's all for today. The Kung Fu Stuff Lesson 4. To training 3 days or 5 days a week to achieve the real Kung Fu. Thank you very much. I see you in next video. Bye bye.